Here's what's happening in Dallas, Texas whenever it comes to the Toyota Stadium in Frisco, Texas, home of FC Dallas. Yes, we have a soccer team here in Dallas. Now, these major renovations are going to be coming over the next couple of years, and Toyota Stadium will be leading the way with a massive renovation project that is estimated to cost nearly $200 million. So we're gonna go into what this means for fans and homeowners in the Frisco area, but first let's go back in time a little bit so you can get a better sense of what the stadium means for Frisco residents and soccer fans all over the country. Now, Toyota Stadium used to be Pizza Hut Park back in the day. I remember going to a Jimmy Buffett concert way back then in 2005, I believe, whenever it first opened up. And it marked a significant milestone for Major League Soccer. As only the third specific stadium in the league, it symbolized the growing momentum that the sport has in the US. Now, over the years, the stadium has witnessed countless memorable moments, which are thrilling playoff matches, US Open Cup clashes, international friendlies, and even an MLS Cup final in 2005. It's been home to not only the FC Dallas, but also for high school and football games, concerts, and community events, becoming a major part of the Frisco and DFW community. Now, nearly 2 decades later, it's time for a little makeup. Now, this ambitious $182 million renovation project will touch every facet of the stadium, ensuring an enhanced experience for every fan. Here's a closer look at the improvements. Climate control. One of the main things that these new renovations will address is the nearly unbearable Texas heat. Now, to solve this, the stadium is adding additional roofing over many of the seats to keep viewers out of the sun. Now, capacity is also expanding at Toyota Stadium with an increased capacity of around 10%. More fans will have the opportunity to experience the energy and excitement of FC Dallas games. This expansion includes a variety of new seating options, including expanding premium seating with exclusive clubs and suites. Now, the renovation will also introduce state-of-the-art technology through the stadium, including massive video boards, LED ribbon boards, and interactive displays. Fans will have access to instant replays, real-time statistics, and forms of engaging content throughout the stadium. Now, navigating the stadium will be easier and more enjoyable thanks to the wider concourses, upgraded concessions, with expanded food and beverage options, which more food and beverages is always a good thing. And additional restroom facilities. The renovation will also prioritize accessibility for fans with disabilities, featuring improved ramps, wider walkways, and more accessible seating options, ensuring an inclusive and welcoming environment for all. Even the field itself is getting an upgrade. A new and improved drainage system will ensure that rain delays are minimized, keeping the focus on the game and providing optimal playing conditions for the athletes. Now, construction is slated to start in 2025 and at the east side of the stadium. Importantly, FC Dallas will continue to play their home games at Toyota Stadium throughout the renovation process, so the entire renovation is set to be complete sometime in 2028. Now, how does this affect you as a homeowner in Frisco, Texas? Let's take a look at the data. So you can see here in October of 2019, if you bought 5 years ago, maybe even a little bit before then, the average median price was $428,000 in Frisco. Could you imagine getting in that price point in Frisco? That would be amazing. Now, as of October of 2024, we're looking at a median home price of $641,000. Even year over year, we're at a 1.7% increase. So we're not seeing a lot of break there in the Frisco area. But if you think about that, if you bought in 2019 or before, you're probably sitting on around $213,000 in equity, possibly if you bought exactly around those median home prices. But what that does mean is that you could be literally $100,000 or $200,000 in equity in your home. That is almost a 50% increase in home values in the Frisco, Texas market in the last 5 years alone. But if you're really curious about what your true home value is, make sure you check the description below for a free home evaluation, and definitely check out this next video because it will help you learn a little bit more about Dallas, Texas.